Hello, kids. You ready to open some My Little Pony MASHEMS? We're gonna have a good time.
Hey guys!
Hi guys. How's it going at home?
Guess what? We have a whole box of My Little Pony FASHEMS squishy fashion fun.
Yahoo!
Open one up. See what we have.
Open.
Look how cool. Let's get it open. This is series 3.
Series treat. Hi everyone at home. Hi everyone.
Ooh. Look how cute.
That is really cute. I like the hair. It's like rainbow.
Cool. I don't know their names, do you?
Not really.
Me either. Let's open another one.
Open
Let's see
it
if
up.
we can get the whole collection.
I wonder what's inside that one. Is it the blue one?
Wow.
It's the white one.
That one's my favorite. So pretty.
Look at her hair.
Colors.
Wow.
Very pretty.
Purple. Do you guys like purple at home? What's your favorite color again, Keeley?
Pink.
What was my favorite color? I can't remember.
Blue.
Blue.
Hi. Ooh, we got a different one.
A yellow one.
Oh, and it has little wings on it.
Ooh, look at those wings.
So cool. Put her up there.
Look at them all. They're
I like
having
how
a-
they're squishy. I like squishy.
Me too. They're all gonna sit up there on the stage.
Where's that little?
These are hard to open sometimes. So cool.
These are adorable.
Adorable
Ooh.
little ponies.
Got a different. No, this is a duplicate.
Duplicate. It says it's super squishy.
It is super squishy.
Are they super squishy?
Super cute.
Super cute and super squishy. Open. Keeley, is this the funnest job ever? Opening
Totally.
toys.
Whoa, that's a unicorn. type one.
Is that green or purple?
Purple. And look, it
Purple.
has wings and a little unicorn horn.
So cute.
Buck. Ouch. They're super cute.
Which one's your favorite so far?
The white one.
The white one?
The pink hair.
They're all pretty cool. I can't decide. I like all of them. Is there a little baby one? That one on the end there in the picture looks really small.
Ooh,
Ooh, is that a pink one?
I like this one too.
Ooh, you
Look at
do
the
like
colors.
pink.
They're so cute.
Very, very, very cool.
Another one.
Another blue one. That's 3.
Is this like Rainbow Dash? That sounds
Rainbow
familiar.
Dash. There's 1, 2, 3 blue ones.
I think we have the whole collection already. Look,
Oh, we got a great collection going.
I think we have all of them. But let's see.
Oh my goodness gracious. Look at how many there are inside that box. 6 available to collect.
2, 4, 5. Oh, we have one more to collect.
One more.
Which one are we missing?
That little one.
Which one?
Maybe not. I don't know. The little purple one on the end
Oh,
of
the
the picture.
orange one.
Oh, yeah,
You're
yeah,
looking
right.
for-
Orange
Ah,
one.
Speaking of the orange one.
Speaking of orange,
Cool. We got the whole collection. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5.
5. I knew that 5 was next.
6.
6.
I think we should stop here because we have the whole collection already. What do you guys think?
I think that's a wonderful idea. Do you guys like those? Do you guys want to collect them all at home?
Yeah, we'll save these ones for another video or some other project.
Yes! Awesome possum, awesome possum.
Hey, what's that horse's name?
I don't know.
Cowboy!
Cowboy.
Hey, Cowboy, what'd you think of the video?
I think it was wonderful.
Yay!
Yay!
All right, guys. Efun and I say bye, and so does Cowboy.
All right. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.